What up, guys? It's Thursday. Not too much going on other than this nasty weather out there. Sorry about the last couple days not making any videos. I've basically just been dealing with the holidays and doing stuff like that. Blew all the money on Christmas stuff, so still don't have any GoPro. But that'll come soon enough. It's not like we're riding out there in that weather anyway. But not too much going on at the shop. It's kind of slow because of the holidays. So today I'm just over here knocking out a few things on the Evo and the RX-7. Repainting, re-clearing the bumper on the RX-7. There was a few little imperfections I wasn't too fond of. After that, I should be able to assemble most of it. I need a pulley set up for not having the air pump, and I need a new wiring harness because mine's kind of crispy. With the Evo, I have a few sensors coming in. That should get it back on the road. Again, I'm not going to be driving either of these cars or riding bikes in this nasty ass weather. But gonna get on painting the bumper and stuff, and we'll check back in when it's done. Alright, so here's what we got going on. I had some small imperfections up here. Basically just wanted to smooth everything out. This is all sanded with 800. I just scuffed the edges, water sand the rest with 800. Kind of chilly, so that's just prep solve residue that'll dry up before I spray it. But yeah, gotta knock this out. Get some pictures of it, videos of it whenever I'm done. Guys, this wind ain't no joke. About to rip the doors off over here. Whew. Clip back and forth that shows what's going on, shows the first coat of clear. Ignore my dirty ass paint filters. I'm going to be changing those out soon. I just didn't feel like doing it before I painted this. Anyway. Bruh. I know y'all just saw that mailman pass. Unfortunately, my lid broke off of my mailbox, so I don't have any lid, and it's just an open mailbox. That dude just looked at me out here, put it in the soaking wet rain, and then kept going. So, guess I'm gonna get wet. Yep, if we would have waited a little bit longer, we would have been probably flooded in. That's a ditch. we decided to take the day off. It's way too nasty out here for us to stay at the shop. My grandmother's babysitting Parker. She needs to get home. It's pretty gross out. Hopefully nothing's flooded over on our end. But we're gonna get home, edit a little bit. I'm gonna try to work on an intro. If there was an intro in the beginning of this video, obviously it worked out. If there wasn't, I'm still working on it. Yeah, that's it for today. Basically, I don't have anything to video once we get home, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Catch you next time. Peace.